Hello students. Now we go through the before you read task here listening activity. Now one of the story I will read. Listen carefully and later I give you some questions based on this story. Answer for those questions on the base of your listening and so you must listen this passage carefully. This is the one of the story. Okay. Once there was a man who was blind. He wished to see the whole world with his own eyes. One day his friends took him to Jesus. They said to Jesus, Lord, this is our friend and he is blind. Please enable him to see. Jesus took the blind man to a quiet place away from the crowd and gently touched his eyes. Jesus asked him, Can you see now? But he could not, only see a few moments. Jesus gently touched his eyes again. Now he could see everything, flowers, birds, trees, people and all. He shouted in happiness, Lord, I can see, I can see. He knelt down before Jesus and thanked him heartily. Okay students, you listen this paragraph and now answer the following questions. Students, are you reading that paragraph of the story that now I give you 5 questions. You answer these 5 questions based on you have listened that story. Now I read these questions. Okay. Who took the blind man to Jesus? What did they request Jesus? Second question, can you see now? Who asked this question? Could he see? Why did Jesus touch the blind man's eyes again? Fourth question, what did man see after Jesus touched his eyes again? How did the man thank Jesus? These are the 5 questions. You must answer these questions. Friends, here is one of the activity before you read. That is the dialogues between Lakshmi and Gauri. You have in your textbook. Okay. Read that dialogues. Okay. Now I read that dialogues. Listen carefully. Okay. Lakshmi and Gauri. Lakshmi. Gauri, why didn't you come to school yesterday? Gauri, I had to attend to my brother Gopal who is hospitalized. Lakshmi, really? What's wrong with him? Gauri, he met with an accident last Saturday. Lakshmi, my God, how did it happen? He is seriously injured. Gauri, he was walking along a narrow bridge without railings. He just slipped and fell into the river and his head hit a rock. He has multiple fractures, but we were lucky that he is out of danger. Lakshmi, that's good. So he will be fit soon to attend school. I hope. Gauri, no Lakshmi. He has lost his sense of hearing. I am afraid he will be deaf. For the rest of his life, he will be a burden on others. Here, you have read this conversation. Do you agree with Gauri that Gopal will useless and remain a burden on others? Students, are you agree with that statement given by Gauri? If the person is not able to hearing, whether he is become burden to others or he is able to lead his life independently. You please discuss. Okay, children. Now I introducing new words. Rikti bridge means weak bridge. Brushed means injured. Rapids means a dangerous part of a river which flows very fast because it is steep and sometimes narrow. Swirling means twisting circular movement. Buds of fever means period of illness. Listened, shown. Hello students, now I read the lesson. You observe the pronunciation and follow my reading. Satish, why didn't you come to school today? Surendra. He had to repeat the question 3 times before Satish heard him. He was laying on the bed, his eyes closed, sweat glistened on his brows. No, I am not well, replied Satish. Of late, he had been down with something or the others. Why? What's the matter with you, Satish? His friend asked with concern. He put his hand on his forehead to feel it. I don't know, Surendra. It's been pretty bad since the last operation on my leg. I get these terrible headaches and then feel as if everything is going dark and silent. I feel miserable. But why are you speaking so softly? I can barely hear you. Surendra gave him a strange look. He had certainly not been speaking softly as it lost his hearing, wondered Surendra. Poor Satish. He had been ill for since he came back from the holiday in Kashmir the previous year. He had been an accident when he went hiking with his father and brothers in the. They were crossing a rickety bridge over some rapids. The boys stood and looked down at the swirling water below them. Look how the water is rushing at the spot, Satish pointed out to his brother. Just then his foot slipped and losing his balance, he fell into the rapids. His screams were lost in the rushing sound of the water. When he regained consciousness, his legs were in a plaster cast and his head hurt badly. He was brushed, itching all over. Though his legs healed, they remained weak, requiring several operations on them. Worse, he suffered frequently from bouts of fever and infections, especially of the ear. Seeing that Satish was in pain, Surendra now got up to go. Well, you come to school tomorrow? He asked. Satish shook his head. A slow tear trickled down his cheek after Surendra left. He felt as if some huge weight was pressing upon his head, making everything seem far away and silent. He felt helpless and upset at being confined to bed. As he was, the silence was worst. Everything seemed like scenes from some pantomime show. He wanted to scream but to break the silence, but didn't. For the 8-year-old boy, this was terrible. The doctor didn't know the cause except that it was caused by medicines given to treat his legs. Due to his frequent absence and his hearing problem, the school he was attending till then informed his father, Mr. Avatar Narain, that they could keep Satish. We will have to look for a new school, his father said. Satish shook his head, saying no. He didn't want to go to a school where he could not talk to the other children, where everyone would mock fun of his deafness. Hello students. Satish, why didn't you come to school today? Surender and Satish were two friends. Both are friends. Surender come to Satish house and he asked his friend why he not come to the school, why he was absent for the school. Satish friend name is Surender. Surender come to Satish. Surender had to repeat the question 3 times before Satish. Surender asking the question 3 times loudly. Satish heard him. He was laying on the bed, but Satish was laying on the bed. His eyes are closed, sweat glistened on his brows. His brows is sweating. His forehead has contained the sweating. He is laid on the bed. His eyes are closed. No, I am not well, replied Satish. Of late. After some time, it takes some time. After that, Satish replied like that, I am not well. He was feeling not well. He had been down with something or the other. He is looking something down and up somewhere. He was not in the present mood because of his illness. Why? What's the matter with you, Satish? His friend asked with concern. He put his hand on his forehead to feel it. Yes, now Surender is asking what was the matter about the Satish. What happened to the Satish? He asking whether he is getting some fever or like that. He want to check the temperature. That's why he putting his hand on the forehead to feel it. I don't know, Surender. It's been pretty bad since the last operation on my leg. Now Satish explaining his problem. I don't know, Surender. He says, I don't know anything, but I feel pretty bad. I feel very bad in my health condition. That is the last operation. Since the last operation on my leg. Yes, Satish leg is operated because some problem. So from that time, he is feel very bad. I get these terrible headaches and then feel as if everything is going dark and silent. Yes, now he getting that terrible headaches. He is getting terrible headache. Terrible means it's very high headaches. He can't tolerate the headaches. Like that he feel very high headaches and then feel as if everything is going dark and silent. He feel like that everything is going away from him and feel silence. He didn't hear any sounds. He feel miserable. Miserable means sad. He feel very sad. Miserable means sad. He feel very sad because he didn't hear anything. So that's why he feel very sad. But why are you speaking so softly? I can barely hear you. He asking his friend Surender, why you are speaking in the very low voice? You speak loud. Why are you speaking very softly? He asking like that. Surender gave him a strange look. Now Surender become very surprised. He is showing a strange look towards Satish because he had certainly not been speaking softly. Has he lost his hearing? Wondered Surender. Actually, he was not speaking softly. He is speaking very loudly. So that's why he become very surprised that maybe he lost his hearing ability. Surender think like that his friend Satish lost his hearing ability. Poor Satish. He had been ill ever since he came back from the holiday in Kashmir the previous year. Now the Satish has been ill ever since he came back from the holiday. In the previous year, he went to the holiday. He went to Kashmir for enjoying the holiday. In that time, when he returned from that Kashmir, he always become ill. He feel always ill. There had been an accident when he went hiking with his father and brother in the. They were crossing a rickety bridge over some rapids. Yes, there what happens in Kashmir. They had been an accident. Yes, this Satish has met with an accident when he went hiking with his father. He went to hiking with his father and his brother in that time he met with an accident. They were crossing a rickety bridge. Rickety bridge means very narrow bridge and dangerous part of the river. The narrow bridge, very weak bridge. The bridge is also very weak. That is not proper in the way. In that bridge he was crossing and some rapids. The river is very rapids means it's a very danger place of the river. There the water is flowing very fast and sometimes it's also narrow. Like that it's the river is very rapids. In that time this Satish and his father and his brother crossing over the bridge. The boys stood and looked down at the swirling water below. Is that Satish and his brother in the both are looking to below, the water is swirling. Look how the water is rushing at the spot. At that spot Satish pointed out to his brother. Now Satish showing that point, that swirling of the water to his brother in that time, just then his foot slipped and losing his balance. In that moment, his foot slipped and lost his balance and fell into the rapids. His screams were lost in the rushing sound of the water. Yes, he started screaming, he's crying. The voice of loud crying voice is also lost because of the rushing sound of the water. There, the rushing sound of the water is more than his screaming voice. When he regained consciousness, his leg was in a plaster cast and his head hurt badly. But when he regained from that river, when he get consciousness, then he feel that his legs were plaster cast. His legs were bandaged, completely bandaged and plaster cast, using the plaster cast. And his head hurt badly. Yes, his head is also very badly hurted from that accident. He was brushed and itching all over. His body is very brushed and itching. Brushed means injured. Injured is all body parts are injured because of that accident. That's why he getting pain all over the body. Seeing that Satish was in pain, Surendra now got up to go. He recalled all those matter. What happened to Satish when he went to trip or holidays for Kashmir. Now the Surendra, when he come to his friend home to asking the reason for absence, now he get up to go. Will you come to school tomorrow? He asked. Now he asking Satish to, will you come to school tomorrow? He asking next day's program of the Satish. Satish shook his head. But Satish shook his means he said that he was not attend the class. He will not attend the class tomorrow also because of his bad illness. He tells that is in the symbol of signing as his body languages, through his body language. A slow tear trickled down his cheeks after Surendra left. As his friend Surendra left the home, after that this Satish feel very sad and he is weeping. The tears are coming down on his cheeks. He felt as if some huge weight was pressing upon his head, making everything seem far away and silent. because he felt very sad and very pain that if some huge weight is pressing on upon his head. He feel like that a huge weight is pressing, putting on his head, and that is suppresses his head. Like that he feel, and everything seemed far away, and everything that is go away from him, because that environment is completely become silent for him. He felt helpless, but he can't do anything. We feel very helpless and upset at being confined to bed as he was. As he was laying on the bed, and he think that that is a confined for him, and we feel very upset. We feel very sad. The silence was worst. Yes, complete silence is become very worst. Worst means a bad, worse, and worst. Degrees of comparison. Bad, worse, worst. Bad again. Comparative degree, worse. Superlative degree, worst. WORST, worst. So everything seemed like scenes from some pantomime show. Yes, he feel like that everything is looking like pantomime show means it is a world deaf movies. The world movies without voice. The world movies without voice we are seeing when we were young. When we were young in those days, that is the pantomime shows means that is silence movies. There is without any sound the movies are playing. He feel like that the present environment is looking for him like a pantomime show. He wanted to scream to break the silence, but he want to scream or make sounds to break that silence. He want to break that silence means he want to sounds. He want to listen the sounds. That's why he scream. Means he makes sound himself, but didn't. But he can't listen any voices, any sounds from himself also. His voice also he can't heard. For the 8-year-old boy, this was terrible, because that Satish was very young. He was child. He was 8-year-old boy. It was very terrible. It is very fearful, because immediately it becomes silence of the world. Feel very difficult to him to that situation. The doctors didn't know the cause, but doctors didn't know the cause of that. Why is hearing become problems? His hearing abilities become problem, except that it was caused by medicines given to treat his leg. They are giving like that. They are give the causes that the maybe it is caused for the side effect of the medicine or treatment which was given to his leg operation. Due to his frequent absence and his hearing problem, because of he is always absent for his school. He was not going to school regularly because of his hearing problem and absence. The school he was steady attending till then informed his father, Mr. Avatar Narain, that they could not keep Satish. Now the school headmaster, his school teacher, informed to his father that is because of his long absence of the school, they informed that they don't keep his that child in their school. We will have to look for a new school, his father said. Now his father said that we are looking for the new school. We will take the transfer certificate very soon, and we will join my child to the another school. His father Avatarnayan said to that teacher. Satish shook his head saying no, but Satish didn't want to go new school because he is very attached to that school. So that's why he don't want to go new school, and he didn't want to go to a school where he could not talk to the other children. He didn't want to go to the school because there he could not speak, because now he feel that hearing problem. That's why when he is not able to hearing the others words, how can he speak with the others? That's why he feel very difficult, where everyone would make fun of his deafness. In the new school, the children all are maybe fun him. They are making mock at him of his deafness. So that's why he feel very strange. That's why he don't want to go new school. But what happens in the future, we will see in the next class. Hello students, here is one of the writing activity. It is a writing practice. Given below is a profile of Mr. Ramakrishna, the school clerk. Here is one of the profile. You read with the help of this profile, you write a paragraph about that person. Okay, this is the profile of Ramakrishna. Age around 40 years, height and weight 6 feet, solid built, family, one son and one daughter, college going. Reason for his popularity: helpful, best gardener. Education: become graduate. Hobbies: gardening, beekeeping, coin collection. With the help of this information, we must write a paragraph. Here I give you one of the example. This paragraph is already given. You must also like this. Around 40 is age is around 40. That is get that information from that profile. Now we write like this. Mr. Ramakrishna is 40 years old. So he is a school clerk. That is also the information get from that profile. He is a school clerk. He has solid built physique and is 6 feet tall. Yes, there is given about his physical appearance. Okay, with the help of that we write this sentence. He is happy with his small family, wife, a son and a daughter. Yes, we know that how many family members there in the profile. Both of his children are college going. He is a commerce graduate. Gardening, beekeeping and coin collection are some of his hobbies. He is a very popular person in his locality because he is helpful and soft spoken. He is also the best gardener in the locality. He is not only a loving father but also an ideal gentleman among his neighbors. Like that, we must write a paragraph with the help of that profile. This type of question you will get in the examination for 4 marks. So that's why you must practice like this type of the activities for the purpose of examination. You get many more this type of activities from activity books or reference books. With the help of those books, you must practice the writing practice. Students, this is the homework, today's homework. You write answer for these questions with the help of textbook. Surender, a friend of Satish came to visit him. Satish hadn't gone to school. Why? Second question, identify the sentence, a question that suggests Satish's weakness. Refer to the paragraph number 5. Third question, why was Satish confined to bed? What was the worst thing for him? Why was it so? Refer the paragraph number 12. The school he was attending informed Satish's father something. Can you say what it was? Question number 5. Satish didn't want to go to a new school. What was the reason? You write answer for all these questions in your homework book and bring that homework when you come to school.